Guys, so as I'm taking a little bit of a rest from setting up my garage studio, you guys are just gonna love this space. Let me show you how much I love it. Okay, let's have a little room tour from my vantage point because I really don't want to get off the floor right now. So here is one area. This is one wall, and the Alex drawers are back. And you guys, there has been something stuck behind this drawer for at least 9 years, and there is no way for me to reach in there and find out what it is. And I am dying to find out what's in there. But you know what? That has to be a separate video because I really need to know what's behind that thing. And here is the other wall. And you guys, those pictures I did myself. So they used to be hella ugly before. They had like all these ugly paintings in them. No offense to the artist. But I had to repaint them and I just made them plain on the inside and I just painted the borders black. It looks really cute, but I don't know what to do here yet, but we'll see. All right, next stop, the other wall. So this door over here, it's like not so cute anymore. It used to be white and I just painted it gold. I spray painted it gold. It doesn't really look that great, but we're gonna have to do something about that door. Of course, as a mother, you don't always get your own space. Do mothers get their own space or am I being scammed? I have no idea. Either way, let's move on to the next wall. So over here, we have a lovely little dollhouse. We have some toys. A lot of toys, too many toys. There you go. All right, let's see what else we have around here to show you guys. Ooh, so that window up there, that window used to be super boring as well. So I painted that gold the same time I did this door right here. And it looks cute. I think it looks cute on the black background. The paint is not very even though, girl. Just don't look at that part. We are gonna move on to the two things about this place that I absolutely hate the most, okay? I may be a little bit of a DIY queen, okay? But this thing, I am not taking a risk with because I know I will just electrocute myself and die. This light fixture, you guys, what the hell is this? I feel like this is the light fixture that they put in like mental hospitals. It is so ugly, but that's not the worst. That's not the worst. The worst is this. Oh my God, you guys. And it's a functioning garage door machine operating thing. I don't know what the hell you call it, but it's just so ugly. And that concludes this episode of Cribs, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. What? Guys, this is like, is this? I can't even pretend at this point that this was on purpose and maybe this was just like a cherry design or something. And my nail polish is fully not chipped off for the past 3 weeks. How embarrassing. But at least the comb is not in my hair anymore, so it's fine. You know what? I'm gonna go fix my nails right now.